Welcome to this session, everyone. Today, our entire focus is on quality. Quality is not an endpoint check. It is built into every step, every shift, and every decision I make. As a process controller, I am directly responsible for ensuring that the right product reaches the customer safe, compliant, correctly labeled, and consistently produced. Before we begin, turn to the person next to you and answer, why do customers trust certain brands? Let's hear two answers before we begin and dive further. By the end of today, I will be able to 1. Explain QC, QA, and QM. 2. Apply standards and sampling. 3. Verify materials and product. 4. Perform packing labeling checks. 5. Record quality data and escalate NCs. These skills prepare me for EISA and real workplace quality control. 1. Quality control QC. Physical checks I perform on product and process. 2. Quality assurance QA systems and procedures that ensure consistency. 3. Quality management QM. Full company quality approach. My role is to apply QC correctly, follow QA systems, support QM through discipline and accurate reporting. I protect quality by 1. Checking materials, product, equipment, and labels. 2. Following SOPs, specs, and quality systems. 3. Recording data accurately. 4. Escalating and stopping when something is wrong. I never hope things are right. I always verify. Quality failures cost trust, money, and safety. Here is your first activity. Workbook. List 3 QC checks you perform and 3 QA systems you rely on. Take time to complete this activity, and thereafter we will discuss quality is defined by specifications. I always check the correct SOP, parameters, and tolerances. If results fall outside limits, I stop, quarantine product, and escalate no guessing, no assumptions. Workbook. Choose one parameter you control: weight, torque, pH, temp, label accuracy. Record. Where the spec comes from, acceptable range, and first action if out of spec. I perform the right test at the right time with calibrated equipment. I take samples properly, label correctly, and protect sample integrity. If a check fails, I isolate, record NC, escalate, and support investigation. Here is your next activity. Pay attention. Workbook. Draw 3 quality checkpoints and note the tool used and the response if it fails. Quality starts when materials enter the site. My role is to check that every raw material and packaging item is correct, undamaged, traceable, in date, and stored correctly. I always confirm batch numbers, expiry dates, delivery notes, and FIFO before use. If anything is missing or incorrect, I stop and escalate immediately. Without traceability, we cannot guarantee product safety, compliance, or prevent recalls, so I verify, record, and never assume. Traceability means I can track every material used from where it came from, which batch it belongs to, when it was produced, and which finished goods it went into. This is important because if something goes wrong, we must know exactly where to find affected product. Even if the product is perfect, poor packaging or incorrect labeling makes it unacceptable. My responsibility is to check seals, packaging integrity, print clarity, expiry dates, batch codes, and correct labels before and during production. During changeovers, I clear old labels completely and verify the first off. If anything is wrong, I stop production immediately and escalate. Incorrect packaging or labeling can lead to recalls, safety risks, and serious brand damage, so I never continue without confirming accuracy. Your next activity is workbook simulation. Perform label changeover checklist in groups of 3. Verify correct label, expiry, batch, and pack before running bulk. I record readings accurately, value, time, name. If there is a non-conformance, I record what, where, how much, cause, and action. Fast, factual communication protects the business and customer. Complete day 4 workbook. QC versus QA. Checkpoints. First off list. NC record. I will sign off evidence. Today we strengthened our quality discipline. Quality is not just checks, it's how we think, act, and respond. I follow standards, verify materials, confirm packaging and labels, record accurately, and escalate immediately. Before we close, turn to a partner and answer. What one quality behavior will you improve from tomorrow? Remember, a professional process controller protects the customer, the brand, and the company. Well done, everyone.